15 coping statements for anxiety. Coping statements can be a helpful tool for managing anxiety and panic. What are coping statements? When you're anxious, your mind often repeats fear-based or inaccurate self-talk that intensify the distress. Coping statements are simple, calming phrases designed to interrupt that anxious self-talk. Their purpose isn't to magically eliminate anxiety, but to gently guide your thinking in a more balanced, realistic direction. By repeating a statement that resonates with you, especially while breathing slowly, you can begin to calm both your mind and body. Over time, these phrases become part of your internal dialogue, helping you respond to anxiety with greater clarity and confidence. This series provides an explanation of some common coping statements. The best way to use them is to identify the ones that are most calming to you and repeat them over and over when you are anxious, sort of like a mantra. Combining a single statement with taking slow breaths can be particularly helpful. It is best to fully focus mindfully on the statement, not just say it without considering it. Sometimes it is even helpful to imagine someone saying it to you. Once you are familiar with the coping statements, you may like to create your own that will be even more powerful in helping you to cope with anxiety. The best coping statements are two parts so that you can combine with your breathing. The first part as you inhale, and the second part as you exhale.